it! I quit! Going up against those gunships, it's madness! What's next? Nukes?
Nobody said it was going to be easy. This is the first time you've had to face defeat. You should learn from it. You can't win if you can't lose.
What the hell does that mean? I've had enough of this! I'm giving myself up to the Soviets! They said they'd pardon anyone who surrenders.
Surely you can't believe them. You'll end up in a gulag at best. More likely they'll just put a bullet in you. Stop wasting our time and let's discuss our next move.
Forget your next move! I'm out of here! And you! If you've got any sense, you'll get out as well!
You should shoot these arters!
Touch me, I'll break your fingers! I'm off! Anyone coming?
Coward! Freeze! You don't leave here alive!
Stop it! This is stupid!
Drop your weapons!
Drop yours first. Ah.
It's violent. I didn't mean...
For God's sake, stop it! Put down your guns! Stoyan! He's dead. Get out of my sight.
Ship 500.
All units, this is Fox 1. Cargo's loaded and we're good to go.